Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I've been shooting video with this lens for a while and I love it a lot. This is the DZOFILM 20-55mm T2.8 Pictor Zoom. One of the reasons that people like this lens a lot because this is a Parfocal zoom lens. So what is Parfocal zoom lens? When you use a normal zoom lens like photo zoom lenses, changing the zoom value means changing the focus. You have to refocus all the time. It's not a problem when you're shooting photos because you only capture one frame at a time and the camera always refocuses before flipping the shutter. But in videos, sometimes zooming is a part of the shot, like you need to zoom in and zoom out while you're filming. A Parfocal lens has the ability to maintain accurate focus while you zooming, right? And another benefit from a Parfocal lens is that the focus reading is very minimum. As far as I know, only cine zoom lenses have the Parfocal feature. Maybe I was wrong, but if you know any of the photo lenses has the Parfocal feature, let me know in the comment down below. Why do I have to adjust the Parfocal? Each camera has a different distance from the back of the lens to the sensor. So in order to make the Parfocal work correctly, you have to adjust the thickness of the shim to fit with your camera. In today's video, I will be showing you how to adjust the Parfocal on the DZOFILM Pictor Zoom lenses. In this case, I only have the 20-55 T2.8 lens, but it works the same on the other one. By default, the lens comes with the PL mount. Let's say you want to change the PL mount to the EF mount to use on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to go to the DZOFILM website to download the Siemens star chart and print it out in black and white. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Stick the chart on the wall with tape. Next step, change the PL mount to the EF mount. The lens comes with two different sets of screws that fit each lens mount. You don't have to add any shim to the lens at this point. Attach the lens to the camera once it's done. Set the lens at T2.8 and place the camera at 1.5 meters from the camera sensors to the Siemens star chart. This step is very important because each camera has different sensor placement. Make sure the target is in the center of the frame. Now, I will name the next step so you can follow and repeat the process exactly. Step A. Zoom in all the way to the longest focal length. Turn the focus ring until the target is its sharpest. Write down the distance number on the focus ring as S1. Step B. Zoom out all the way to the widest focal length. Turn the focus ring until the target is its sharpest. Write out the distance number on the focus ring as S2. Step C. If S2 smaller than S1, you need to increase the shims. If S1 smaller than S2, you need to decrease the shims. You can follow the shim chart on the DZO website to know how much shim you need to fit the difference between S1 and S2. Link download in the description down below. Attach the lens back to the camera and repeat from step A to step C until S1 equals S2. Once you are done, the lens is now under Parfocal and works precisely on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. If you are going to use the Pictor Zoom lenses on the different cameras, you can repeat the whole process step by step and you're gonna get the same results. If you have anything to discuss, let me know in the comment down below. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!